Hi, my name is Tadwolak Mok. Welcome to the Stock Tracker web application. Before I show the app feature, I would like to talk a little bit about technologies that I used and the inspiration why I wanted to build this app. Here's the background. My sister invests some money with her friend on daily stock trading. They purchase and sell stock almost every day. And here are the problems. She doesn't have any tool to keep track of the purchase and sell history. Currently, she is using pen and paper to keep track of her stock investment. She cannot tell or see her current cost value or profit. So the stock tracker application will solve all her problems and more. For technologies, I use Java Spring Boot for my backend and deploy it on Heroku. For frontend, I use React.js and deploy it on Firebase. Let's explore the app together. Here is the login homepage of my app. It requires user to log in with their secret username and password. If we click login, it shows those fields are required. If the user tries to input wrong data, it shows the user those are invalid input. So let's try a real username and correct password. So once the user logs in successfully, it's prompt the user with this page where they can see the navigation bar. Now let's look at the portfolio. Right now we do not have anything on here yet because we do not have any data. Let's add some cash. I also set field validation for this form. So now it's successfully added. And if we look at the capital history, we would see $50,000 got added into the capital history. The user can edit or they can delete it. Let's look at the portfolio. Right now we have $50,000 for the starting capital. So the user can start inputting their purchase stock records by clicking on stock, add stock. I also set field validations for this form. Each field is required. Successfully added. If we look at the stock holdings, we will see the stock that we just added. We can edit, or we can delete, or we can sell. So if we look at the capital history, we would see the amount that we purchased stock subtracts from the capital value. And if we look at the portfolio, we would see summary of the stock that we purchased and also the fund available for trading. To provide the real demonstration for the user story, I am going to pause the video and add a few more stocks. So I just added a few more stocks on here. So the blue column right here is the current price that got pulled from the external API. This is the price from yesterday. And this column would show the anticipated gain and loss and also the percentage based on the current price and the purchase price. So now let's sell some stock. If I click on sell, so I would sell this at this price. When I sell the stock, it's gonna delete the row from the stock holding list and then it would add it to the sell history. If we look at here, we would see it, the stock that we just sold. And also, if you look at the capital history, every time when we sell stock, it's gonna add it to the capital value. And if we want to edit or make some adjustment on the sell, we can basically just edit it like this. Let's say I sell it at $4 and then we expect to see 4,000 also get edited on the capital history. Click save, and if you look at the capital history here, we will see $4,000 on here. Let's sell another stock by simply go to the stock holdings and sell. Click on sell. So this one I want to sell it at loss. So I would like to sell it at $2 and I sell it on this date. Alright, so now if we look at the capital history again, we would see the amount of money that got added to here. Another cool feature that I implemented was the stock performance, where the user can input any stock symbol and search for their performance. Let's search for Boeing. So if we hover on this dot, we would see the price for each day, and we can also maximize this to see it more clearly. Let's look at the portfolio dashboard again to see the summary of what we have done. We are having two stocks that are on hold. This showing the percentage of each stock comparing to the total value of the purchase stock. This showing the history of amount that we sold and based on date. And this one we sold it at loss. And if we hover on the stock ticker, we would see the performance of the stock based on each day. Finally, I successfully built an app that helped my sister keep track of her stock investments. Thank you so much for watching.